Hello everyone, welcome to this SQL Server tutorial. And in this in this video we will cover union and union all, okay, in SQL. So let's begin with the introduction and definition of this union. So union, the union command is used to select related information from two or more tables, or you can say queries, two or more queries. It is much like the join command. However, when using this union command, all selected columns need to be of the same data type. With union, only distinct values are selected as a result set, and in union all, the union all command is equal to the union command, except that union all select all the value. It will not use distinct sort. So let's see what is the difference between union and union all. Union remove duplicate rows. Union all does not remove the duplicate row. It return all from all queries or all tables when you apply the select queries. Okay, union use a distinct sort, and union all does not use distinct sort, so the performance of union all is slightly higher than union. Union cannot work with the column that has a text data type. Union all can work with all data type columns, and union is slow in performance because it uses distinct sort. Union all is faster than union because it does not use distinct sorts. It shows all the records that came from the both two or more queries or tables. Okay, so let's begin with the codes and see how we can use these two command, union and union all, in our SQL queries. Okay, so this is the syntax for union and union all. So how you can apply the union and union all in the SQL queries. Okay, so first select and columns name. So here you can give the numbers of the column that you want to fetch from this table 1. Okay, so you can use this as a union here. Then another query, select its column names from the table 2. Okay, this is the table 1, table 2 and table 1. So these are the two tables. And the union all, here you can apply union all. So this is the query 1 and this is the query 2. If you want to add more queries, then you can add union if all and select columns name from table 3. Similarly you can do with the union also. So let's begin with the example. So first declare two temporary tables. Declare table 1 as table id is int name varchar 10 and phone number varchar 10. Similar table, second table table 2. So here in both the table, data type should be same for all the columns, and all this sequence of the columns should be same, and number of the columns should be same. So here I keep the same, like name with the varchar 10, phone number varchar 10, and id int. So sequence and number of the columns and data type is same for both the tables. Okay, now we insert data in both the tables. Okay, now insert into the table 1, values id 1, name Krishna, and then phone number. Okay, just copy, paste, and change the value here to Rohit. Phone number is changed from here. Okay, I just copy this and change the table name and sorry. Okay. Okay, so now the table of created and insert is in the table query is ready. Now use union for these two tables. Okay, select start from at the rate table 1 union select start from at the rate table 2. Yeah, so our temporary two tables is declared here, and we insert into these two tables, and you can see here we inserting a duplicate record. This Rohit record we insert duplicate. Okay, so in union we will get 2 or 3 result as a rows as a result set. Okay, because we have these two records duplicate, and in union does not take duplicate records, it's remove duplicate records. So let's see by running this what happened. Execute. Yeah, as you can see we have only 3 records, and that Rohit duplicate record has been removed in the union. Okay, and check with union all. I change here union all. Okay, and run. Execute. Yeah, as you can see here the 4 records appearing, the Rohit, and these Rohit records in duplicate, and it's also occur. So this is the basic difference in this union and union all. Okay, now I told you that this is union and union all. It's union is not work with the text data type, but union all work with the text data type. So I just show you an example by showing which show the difference and how the use of the text data type. Okay, I just copy from here this. Okay, int should be remain, and name I change this So these two table temporary table is are declared. Okay, now we have to insert data into this two tables. I just copy from here. Okay, so it reduce time. Union does not work with text data type. Okay, here I remove this is India. Okay, so this record for 3 and this is for 4. Copying, say, okay. Union all does work with text and this. Now copy this and now this selecting from the and check with the union 3 and 4. Okay, so now our query is ready and let's see. So this is the data type text and we apply we tried to get the data using the union from the temporary table 3 and table 4, and let's see what happened. Okay, so you can see the data type text cannot be used as a operand to the union, intersection or except operators because it is not comparable. Okay, and let's see with the so in the all right by executing, yeah, you can see it is working on the text data type. Okay, so the reason is we need to distinct sort, so it is in union it is unable to distinct sort the text data type. That's why it is not working with the text data type. Okay, so this is all about the union and union all. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming more videos. Thank you.